Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock or block someone on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, press the Xbox button and then go on over to people and then find someone to block. So it could be someone you recently played with. All you have to do is go to their profile and then you can select block. So you can see their profile, go down to report or block. Now let's block this person. Now to unblock the person, you can search for their name and then go to simply unblock right here. Otherwise, there is a unblock list. So on the home screen here, let's press the Xbox button, then tab on over to our profile and select this. And let's go to my profile now. Then let's tab on over to social gaming right here. And then we can go on down to where it says following and then go to everything and then go to blocked. Right here, and we can see everyone that's been blocked on our Xbox. Then all we have to do is select their name. So let's select their name right here and then go to unblock on their profile. So just bring up their profile and you should be good to go. So here, let's go to unblock. That person is now removed from my block list. So it's very easy to block or unblock someone on your Xbox Series X. So if this video did indeed help you out, if it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.